Alright, you guys, check it out. We're at Burger King this morning. My first time ever having a Burger King breakfast. Black. It is New Year's Eve, actually. How exciting is my life? So check it out. I got the breakfast platter, which consists of pancakes, sausage, some kind of egg, and a croissant. I guess they ran out of biscuits, so that's just life, yeah. No big deal for me, but I just want to try this thing today. The total price was $5.40. Pre-tax number was $4.99. Nevada has 8.25% tax. Interesting. So let's just check this thing out and see how it tastes. Hey, hash brown. That smells nice. Got your what's this called? Sun Glow butter. Yeah, I think this one's straight. Oh, my life is so exciting. All right. How was everyone's year? My year was okay. It was not great. It was not bad. But next year should be better. And I hope yours is too. But first up, add a little butter. Damn, hash brown. Add a little butter on here. Yep. Give me 1,000,000 calories. Oh, this is like 1,200 calories. Oh, well. Say lovely. And I put a little butter on the croissant. How about that? I'm going to get your sausage patty and some kind of egg product. I don't know if this is real egg or not. Yeah, it could be. Now, I usually like to cut up my pancakes before adding the syrup. How about you? How do you like your pancakes? You know, I almost went to Denny's this week for their Grand Slam. Maybe that'll be next week, perhaps. All right, here we go. Just pour this baby on here. Oh, my New Year's resolution is to eat better and lose a substantial amount of weight, and perhaps I will take you on my journey as I try to slim down. First up, the pancakes. I feel okay. Tastes fine to me. My pancakes, whenever I try to make them, well, the few times I try to make pancakes, they came out pretty crappy. They put it mildly. Scrambled egg. Tastes okay. I usually end up overcooking my eggs, so it's fine. Actually, I think this meal, even though it comes with a biscuit, I think the biscuit's not necessary because you have so many, with the pancakes. So, oh well. Croissant was, it's okay. Brown. Check out this hash brown. Yum. I hope everyone had a great Christmas. Mine is okay. Nothing spectacular. So it's New Year's Eve in Vegas, and every year they have a fireworks show down on the Strip. And how it works is that the strip is like a long street basically, and a lot of tall buildings, hotels. And so dotted along the Strip, different hotels will have a show at midnight, which is okay. I went once, and it was cold. Well, for Vegas, it was cold, maybe 33 degrees Fahrenheit, about 0 Celsius, and it was packed. Afterwards, I ended up at McDonald's to get a burger or something, so I needed some, because I was starving and freezing. Actually, I wish they ran 2 shows for New Year's, fireworks shows. One at 9 and then one at midnight. I think that'd be perfect because a lot of folks don't want to be out that late. So half the crowd will come in at 9, like I was saying. So half will come in at 9 o'clock or so. Well, half. Some will come at 9 and some will come at midnight. I think it'd be great. Those who don't want to be out too late, you know. And there's a lot of kids down there too. So think it would help. Along the Vegas Valley, I presume that other fireworks shows are going on, but I don't know for sure. So, I don't know. Fremont Street will be wall-to-wall slammed tonight. Wall to wall. This is not bad. The sausage tastes like the standard fast food, you know, breakfast sausage. No spice to it. Not as good as Jimmy Dean's, but for $5.40, you know. Overall, for $5.40, it ain't that bad. Because you can get like the pancakes alone for like 89 cents, and the croissant, I don't know how much that costs by itself. I also had a breakfast burrito junior up there for like $1 on the value menu. So, overall, you know, BK not bad. Not bad at all. All right, you guys, I have in my hand, well, I have on my fork, the last bite of this Burger King platter. Here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thank you for joining me this year and today and everything else. And let's hope we can make some more videos, have some fun, and all that jazz. And like I always say, see you buy it, try it. Hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day. Have a great new year. And I hope I will see you. I hope you will see me many, many, many times this coming year. And always comment. I will always try to reply best I can. Thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, and all that jazz, all right? And let's say goodnight to Mr. Lumix. Au revoir.